searched for oh so long. Only time will tell if I have made a loser's choice.
And those sadness cries like a soul by love owns my world. Wishing now that you had gone to put me to the side. But the morning came and we both knew my eyes giving away. As I kissed your cheeks and said goodbye, I thought only time would pay. But you can't run water from an empty well. In the morning
Would I wait to find down the wrong road I have gone? Will I hear the melody I searched for oh so long? Only time will tell if I have made a loser's choice.
with those sadness cries like a soul by love owns my world. And those sadness cries like a soul by love owns my world.
Thank you. That was a song. That was a song written by Marshall Wilburn. You'll get a chance to see here tomorrow with the Lynn Morris Band. We'd like to send that song out to Emily wherever she is. This is playing the bass from Kingsport, Tennessee. Please welcome Barry Bales, everybody. Do we have any Stanley Brother fans out there tonight? Stanley Brothers rock, let me tell you. We are huge fans, and anytime you see us, we've got Stanley Brothers on the brain. This is one that we recorded for our new album that should be out sometime. It should be out. This is one Tim does a great job on. This is one called Another Night.
When time was young, we walked the road together. When love was sweet, I meant the world to you. Now comes the sun, we'll say goodbye forever, and teardrops will kiss the morning dew.
Take me and make me your loving one more time. Close in your arms as before. Till o'er your shoulder the early morning shines. Then I'll leave you and grieve you no more.
When time was young,